In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create advertisement scenes with Magnific AI Desktop. We'll move from a blank canvas to a polished motion clip you can use in an ad, keeping everything simple and repeatable. Start by opening the Magnific app on your desktop. On the left sidebar, switch into Video Generator. This takes you from still images to motion, which is exactly what we need for ad scenes. Next, choose a model. The model sets the overall look and motion behavior, so pick one that matches your creative direction, whether you want clean product realism, something more stylized, or cinematic movement. If you're unsure, start with a balanced, general-purpose option. Open the References section. References help the model understand the style and subject you want to anchor the video to. Click Start Image. This tells Magnific to base the animation on a specific visual, which is perfect for product shots or a hero frame. Click Upload Media, select your image, then click Open, and add so it's attached as your starting point. For best results, use a sharp, well-lit image with a clear subject and minimal clutter. Now type your prompt. Describe the product, the action you want, the mood, and any camera feel things like close-up, slow push-in, glossy lighting, dramatic shadows, or a clean studio backdrop. Keep it specific and consistent so the model knows exactly what to emphasize. Choose your resolution and click 720. This is ideal for fast previews and quick iterations while you're dialing in style and motion. You can always revisit settings for final output once you're happy with the look. Choose the duration. Short, punchy clips often work best for ads, just long enough to establish the product, show a moment of movement, and land on a compelling frame. When everything is set, click Generate. Magnific will process your inputs and produce a preview. If the first result isn't quite on brand, refine your wording, adjust the model, or tweak your reference image and try again. Small, targeted changes go a long way toward a crisp, high-impact advertisement scene.